Welcome back, everyone. Now we are moving on to question number 5, that is on service account and deployments. I'm sharing my screen. Let's get started. So this is the question number 5. So obviously you need to set the context in the exam, not here. You are tasked to create a service account and update the deployment to use created service account. Please complete the following: update the app deployment and ns prod names in the prod namespace to run as the app as a service account. Create the service account first. Okay, so first thing is we need to make sure ns prod namespace and app deployment. If it's in the exam, probably they would have already been created, but here if you wanted to work on this particular thing, um, not part of the exam question, but I'm just making sure that I have things in place. So k create ns prod. You can write namespace or ns. I'm comfortable with ns. So ns, so k create deploy, the name of the deployment, and obviously this needs to be put into hyphen and ns prod hyphen image. They haven't said any image, so let's put our favorite nginx. That is it. So these things that I'm creating, just to make sure what I've got, right? So now I'll just say get all hyphen n ns prod. If it shows a deployment and pod, yeah, so we replicas it, obviously that's good. So now we are good to start. So we need to create a service account. Obviously they've said the deployment is in this namespace. Let's create a service account with the name in that particular namespace. K hyphen n ns prod, create SA or service account app hyphen SA. Say service account is created now. Okay, get SA hyphen ns prod. So that's created, right? So now what we're gonna do, K edit, deploy. The name of that is app deployment, and hyphen n ns hyphen prod. That opens that. So now let's go wherever the containers, right? So basically, so you just need to find the pod template. So all of these things are deployment, and if you come inside where you see the container, that's pretty much where you have pod, right? You just mention service account name, right? I know, of course, you will not be very comfortable just like typing the name. So you can either see the solution that I've just put it here, service account name, app SA, and then service account. I've just added comment. In the exam, you don't really need to add the comment, right? So cube, it is document, and then say service account. I don't know why. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, service account, right? So now service account name. That's it. If you see, and normally if it's the pod directly, you can put spec just above containers or volumes. You can put service account name because it's a deployment. Deployment will consist of part of the pod template. So you just need to use this particular thing. So which I think we've already put it here. In here, so the name of that is app SA. So you don't type that. Why? You might mistake and then it kills some of your time, right? So just go there, copy, paste. That's it. And then now save it. So it's edited. So obviously that's edited. Now you can say describe app app deployment, app. deployment -n ns pro. Type that somewhere you should see the service account. Oh, sorry. Service account will be mentioned inside the pod, I guess. Okay, describe pod. So let's say, sorry, guys. Okay, get pod -n ns prod. There's this thing, right? Now just describe that. Okay, describe pod -n ns prod, the name of that. And you can just say grep -i service. If you see here, the service account from app SA token. So service account internally creates a secret, and then that will probably be attached. Not probably, that's get attached. So if you see the secret contains part of the secret name is contains the part of the service account name, then that is what it is attached to. You can also see the complete output just for peace of mind. See app as a token. So that is it. Thank you so much again. Hope you're enjoying the series. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and please leave feedback in the form of comments. And I'll read through the comments, and I'll probably improve and then put that improvements for the future videos. Thanks once again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.